This is class 7th social science period, and we are studying the civics chapter number 5, the role of media in democracy. In previous videos we have read 2 chapters of history, 2 chapters of geography, and now today we are starting here the new chapter of civics. Okay, before that 4 chapter already completed before the half yearly exam. Now chapter number 5, the role of media in democracy. Okay, in democracy, as I was told you that what is democracy? Democracy is the government made by people. Okay, and media is the source. Media is the source which is help to aware us about the society or about the world, what is happening in the society, in the country, or in the world. Okay, in our country like India, in India, mass communication play very vital, means important role in developing people awareness. In our country, as you know, India is very big country, the huge number of population are living here. So in this country, so mass media play very important role to aware the people, okay, about the politics and the program of development. On the basis of development program and about the politics, it help in motivating them to be active partner in the nation building endeavor. Okay, on this the media, the communication, okay, the mass communication, the mass media, it is help the people to participate to in the different activity of the human activity, which is help the nation. A skillful synthesis between traditional and folk form of the communication on one hand and modern video usual media, including satellite communication on the to other, is being attempted. What is media? Anything which facilitate communication is called media. Facilitate means spared. So any source which is give the opportunity to communication is called the media. So take the example of mobile phone. Okay, now today, this time every person have their personal phone, that is called mobile phone handset, and due to the help of the data recharge, we can take the different type information from society on the basis of WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and lot of the Instagram, lot of the sources, those are giving us the information. But problem is here ki phone and mobile phone is not comfort or not fulfill our whole information which we can get, because particular persons are joined with you in a group in mobile phone. That's why we cannot take the large number of the information. A newspaper spear the communication is to a very large number of people or to do the masses. Okay, of the newspaper, as you know, newspaper are speared all over the country, and in the newspaper the newses of all India, our local news, state level news, national level news, as well as the international newses are there printed in the newspaper. That's why it is covered the very huge number of the people. That's why this is called the masses. So hence a newspaper is called mass media. Mass media means media which is the source of the information which cover the very large quantity of the people. So the media which speared communication to a large number of people is called mass media. So what is mass media? A media, the source of information which speared the communication to a large number of people, is called the mass media. So radio, television, internet, these are the example of mass media. Objective of media. Okay, many media function as a watchdog in a democracy with the following objectives. There is some objective of media, some things those are giving by the media to the people. Separate news from opinions. Okay, the media give the separate news from the different opinions. Separate news and commercial interest of the paper. This is because of the media responsibility toward the society. Report on fact as they are The media give the report on the fact things, not try to restore the sensationalism, not to be based on its reporting of event and generate strong public opinion. So these are the objective. This is the work of the media in the society. A form of mass media. Mass media, as we have read that, the media which speared communication to large number of people is called mass media, like television, radio, internet. A type of mass media. There are different form of mass media. First one is electronic media. Okay. The growth of electronic media has brought a lot of change in quality of image and sound. In electronic media, due to the help of internet, this is make the very huge change in the mass communication, because in the electronic media we can see the image, we can also hear the sound. Okay, so with the help of image and sound we can get the full information of the any news. It has also become popular method of expression of public opinion. With the electronic media, we have the computer, laptop, we have the internet system, we have the mobile. That's why we can directly give our opinion about any particular matter. It reaches the public faster, and even the illiterate people get benefit a lot out of this media. This is the internet. The communication is very fast. So that's why the every news can be reached for every toward the every person very fast. And some illiterate person, those are not able to read and write, but with the help of electronic media they can listen the news, they can see the news. With the listening the voice of the news, they can be understand the information of the any news. So the media is able to bring forth the truth up to public. So that's why this media, the electronic media, forth means take the truth to the people. It covers the injustice done the people, corrupt action of politicians, and many sensational information. Of this media give the different type of the newses, like cover the injustice, where the justice or injustice are happen due to the public opinion, that will be also manage corruption and what is happening in the politics. These all are sensation given by the electronic media. Here is print media, second one. Print media, the press is usually called newspaper. You have seen this is the example of print media. Newspaper is usually called the print media, which is a strong political weapon and a pillar of democracy. A print media, this is a very old medium of the communication in India or in any country, and it is a very strong weapon, and it is also called the pillar of democracy. Print media has different form like magazines, journals, newsletter, and books. It helps us to make aware of the event and incident across the border. Press has always played an effective role right from the freedom of struggle. It was through the newspaper only a national leaders fought from the freedom of our country. So some of the newspaper were started by our national leader like Kesari by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Of this medium, print media played a very important role during the freedom fighting, because of with the help of print media, the ancient Indian leader, those were who worked for the getting the independence of India, they print a lot of news, a lot of information to aware their people. And some important leader like Bal Gangadhar Tilak also published a newspaper. This name was Kesari. The Time of India, the Hindustan Times, the Indian Express, the Hindu are some of the leading newspaper in India. Magazines and journals are also popular print media, but these cater to specific group of readers only. There are some important newspapers, those are published in all over the country, like Time of India, the Hindustan Times, the Indian Express, the Hindu, and some magazines and journals are also published month to month, but the magazines and journals are specially read by some particular readers. Business Today, India Today, Frontline, Outline are of the leading magazines in our country. Some magazines are Business Today, which is give the help us to do the what is happening in the business and how can we start the business. India Today, this is a very important magazine. It is generally read by the lot of readers and give the information of India as well as the all over the world. And these are the magazines. This is very popular in our country. Apart from dailies which are printed in English, there are newspaper in regional language too. We have seen there according to accepted the English language in other language, in regional language like Hindi, Urdu, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, in the different regional languages, the newspaper are also published, and in daily newses in the early morning in front of our house, the newspaper seller are came and give the newspapers, and with the help of that newspaper, early in the morning we can get a lot of information about the all over the world. Okay, so for today this is enough. Now next day we will read the media and democracy. Thank you.